If you're looking for a stylish yet reliable watch, you're not alone. Many men want a timepiece that makes a statement without breaking the bank. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Men's Pro Diver Quartz Watch. The Invicta Men's Pro Diver Quartz Watch immediately caught my eye with its bold blue dial and gold accents, priced at around $83.40. If you want a watch that screams sophistication while being budget-friendly, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 40-3 stainless steel case is not just stylish, it's durable and water-resistant up to 100 meters. That means you can wear it while swimming or enjoying water sports without worry. Plus, the magnified date window is super handy for keeping track of your schedule, and the luminous hands ensure you can read the time in low light. The Japanese quartz movement guarantees accuracy, which is something every watch enthusiast appreciates. With over 1,000 units sold in just the past month, this watch has gained popularity for good reason. Now, some people complained about the weight, finding it a bit heavier than expected, weighing in at 170 grams. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a watch with a substantial feel, this weight adds to that premium vibe. But if you prefer something lighter, this might not be your best choice. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable watch for everyday wear that also looks great for a night out. Skip this one if you prioritize ultra-lightweight designs. At this price point, you get solid quality without breaking the bank. Now, if the weight of the Pro Diver bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a lighter design. Product number 2, Men's Pro Diver Stainless Steel Quartz Watch. Next up is the Men's Pro Diver Stainless Steel Quartz Watch, retailing at about $102.72. This watch caught my attention with its striking black dial and gold tone finish that just oozes elegance. If you're after a watch that has a classic look with some sporty flair, this is definitely worth considering. What makes this watch stand out is its 48mm gold-tone stainless steel case that's not only eye-catching but also built to last. It's water-resistant to 100 meters, making it suitable for recreational swimming, and the functional subdials add a layer of practicality. The luminous hands and hour markers mean you won't be fumbling for the time in the dark. The Japanese quartz movement is reliable, ensuring you're on time every time. With over 1,000 units sold last month, this watch is clearly a favorite among buyers. But I'll be real with you, some users noted that the band can feel a bit bulky on smaller wrists. However, this watch is still a fantastic option for those who like a larger presence on their wrist. Ultimately, it's about your personal style and comfort. This watch is perfect for you if you want something that can transition from casual to formal settings effortlessly. Skip this one if you have smaller wrists and prefer a more understated piece. It's a solid investment for a watch that balances style and function well. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who appreciate an automatic timepiece. Product number 3, Men's 5053 Pro Diver Collection Automatic Watch. Now let's talk about the Men's 5053 Pro Diver Collection Automatic Watch, priced at around $112.29. This one genuinely surprised me with its sophisticated look and the fact that it's an automatic watch. If you want something that stands out and showcases your appreciation for craftsmanship, this is worth a serious look. The 40mm stainless steel case has an exhibition case back, which means you can actually see the inner workings of the watch. That's a fantastic touch for watch enthusiasts. It's also water-resistant up to 100 meters, making it practical for swimming or snorkeling. The luminous hands are a clever addition so you can read the time in darker settings. With over 1,000 of these sold recently, it's clear many are drawn to its unique design. However, some folks mentioned that the band length may not be adjustable enough for every wrist size. Here's the thing though, if you're handy with watch adjustments, a couple of extra links might solve that issue. If you prefer a watch that fits right out of the box, just be aware you may need to put in a little extra effort. This is perfect for you if you're a watch lover who appreciates the intricacies of automatic movements. Skip this if you prefer a low-maintenance quartz watch. For the price, it offers great value considering its quality and unique features. Now, if you're looking for something more casual, the next watch is a fantastic option. Product number 4, Men's Specialty Silicone Quartz Watch. Let's look at the Men's Specialty Silicone Quartz Watch, which is priced at just $59.83. The vibrant blue and white dial instantly caught my eye, and if you're after a sporty look that's also budget-friendly, this one is definitely worth your time. The 45mm stainless steel case is durable, and the silicone band adds comfort for all-day wear. The Japanese quartz movement ensures accuracy, and the luminous hands mean you won't be squinting to tell the time in low light. With over 1,000 units sold last month, this watch has been popular among active guys. However, some users have said that the silicone band doesn't feel as premium as metal bands. Here's the thing, if you're someone who prioritizes comfort for sports or casual outings, the silicone band is actually a bonus. But if you're aiming for a more formal look, this might not fit the bill. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that's easy to wear for everyday activities. Skip this one if you need a watch that suits formal occasions. At this price point, you get a solid watch that looks good and is practical for the active lifestyle. Now, if you want something that offers a classic touch, the last watch might catch your eye. Product number 5, Men's 1326 Invicta II Chronograph Watch. Finally, we have the Men's 1326 Invicta II Chronograph Black Dial Two-Tone Stainless Steel Watch, priced at $88.58. This watch stands out with its sleek design and chronograph features. If you're looking for a watch that offers both style and functionality, this is definitely one to consider. The functional subdials for 60 minutes, 60 seconds, and 24 hours give it a sporty feel, making it great for timing activities. Plus, it's water-resistant up to 100 meters, making it suitable for most water sports. With 900+ units sold recently, it's clear this one is catching attention. However, some reviews pointed out that the watch can feel a bit bulky for smaller wrists. But honestly, if you're a fan of substantial watches, this might be a positive feature for you. Just be sure it fits your style before purchasing. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that can handle both casual and sporty situations with ease. Skip this one if you prefer something daintier. For the price, it's an excellent value that combines style and function well. Now let's wrap this up and compare all 5 watches. So we've looked at 5 fantastic Invicta watches today. The Men's Pro Diver Quartz watch offers a classic look and great durability for around $83.40. The Men's Pro Diver Stainless Steel watch gives you that sophisticated black and gold look for about $102.72. If you're after an automatic watch, the Men's 5053 Pro Diver Collection is your go-to at $112.29. Lastly, the Men's 1326 Invicta II Chronograph watch combines style and functionality for $88.58. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Men's Pro Diver Stainless Steel watch because it balances style, durability, and functionality perfectly, making it suitable for almost any occasion. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Men's Specialty Silicone Quartz watch if you're looking for something to wear to formal events, as it's more casual in design. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.